I went as an undergrad and worked at Bell Labs. And at Bell Labs, it was a place where it was just scientists working on innovation for the next technology. And to say I loved it would be an understatement. I was more like a kid in a candy store. So I would go from lab to lab. And it was just amazing to see the thoughts and the innovation that was going on and where it can impact the future to come. And so here we focus on innovation, and so the things I really like is seeing how our team can come together and bring ideas to the table and form that into a capability of product. Here in this room, we actually are assembling chips, and so let me first say, early on, the first effort we was doing with the government, they taught us how to design and produce chips. So we was able to design unique chips and capabilities that we patent, and now those chips goes into products. And so we can assemble those chips into sub-assemblies for our products, as well as we sell them to others for their products. On the security side, we can detect threats, whether they're exposed or concealed, such as in your backpack, there's a gun or a weapon, or if they're exposed, then we can detect those as well. And we're able to do that extremely fast and quick. We sometimes share that we can scan 1 million scans per second, and we can do it away from the entrance, and therefore be able to detect, alert, communicate, and even do functions such as locking the doors or send it to your cell phone, first responder, and things like that.
When I think about people that have been through the process like Tim has over the years, and he's now combined all those technologies into a solution that is going to have a huge impact once it's deployed and protect our children or protect people from gun violence is huge. But this is the opportunity that exists because, you know, some of those technologies that were funded years ago, they have a long pathway sometimes because they are truly innovative. And sometimes the market or the product solution isn't readily visible. And so with his solution, I mean, he's a brilliant scientist in the first place. But then this unfortunate situation that we have in this country of school shootings, you know, he's come up with a viable solution. He's engaged with many different stakeholders. You know, he's got a demonstration site. I mean, it's just the start of many, many good things. And unfortunately, yeah, we have to have these kinds of solutions, but, you know, it's going to save lives.
Minnesota Small Business Innovative Research Office and program and personnel have helped us in multiple ways. Not only the dollars that we have brought in through SBIR, which have to be well over 50 million, but then the commercial side of that we can even see grows well into the billions, which we in our projections we can see we can get to $1 billion in a few years. But now you multiply that with other small companies and see what type of revenues and income that brings into the state, into the community, and that's huge. The commercialization at the end of the day is really the key. To have an idea go from the conference room to a system on a school and you see it's working is exhilarating.